What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow, let's interact on there as well, man. Now let's jump right into it, man. I got a recent release on these joints, man. Jordan 4. Love the box on these joints just starting off, man. But let's get into it. Top of the box, all white with the gold flight, man. Metallic gold, really nice look there. Has the metallic gold speckles going all the way around the box, man. I like this touch. And the tag on this joint reads, Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro, Cell, Metallic Gold, and Black. 8.5 women, 7Y. Joints didn't come in my size. Was unable to get lucky on any big sizes, man. So I just grabbed this joint just to show y'all, and let's talk about it, man. Let's see how we rocking with them. Now here we have the Air Jordan 4 in the metallic gold colorway. All white, golly, Cell vibes, man. Really clean shoe, just fresh out the box, not gonna lie. Let's check out the details and see if you're rocking with them, man. Now starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced in the white, Cell-ish, smooth leather going across the toe box and across the toe cap as well. A little more tumble on the toe cap than the toe box. Getting to the side of the shoe, man, the same white Cell looking color leather going all the way across. White going across the netting and the wings. Has some metallic gold lace holes on the ends of the wings as well, man. Really nice touch there. Some nice shiny metallic gold. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, they have the Cell Jordan heel tab, man. Really nice cream color. You don't really see solid color heel tabs a lot, but this one really works with this shoe with the all white, all Cell looking color. A gold hit would have definitely made these joints pop, but I'm not mad at the all white Cell look. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, it's the same as the outside. Has that white smooth leather, slightly tumbled on the mud guard and the toe cap, man. Nice touch there, not really mad at it. Has those same metallic gold lace holes going across the ends of the wings of the shoe. Has that white going across the netting, man. White on the background as well. Really smooth touch there, man. I like these joints a lot, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, I like them a lot. Now getting into the midsole, man, it has the Cell going across the bottom part of the midsole and the outsole. And it has like this pearl finish here on the upper of the midsole, man, and the pearls here as well. Like a nice pearl white metallic finish. It really looks good on this shoe, man. I can't lie to you. Going across the outsole, man, it has the smooth light Cell going across the outsole with the gold Jumpman hit. It's a nice look to these, man. Not sure if they're gonna last very long with them being such a light color shoe, but they do look good, man. Can't lie to you, they do look good. Getting into the tongue and the laces, man, it has the white netting going up the tongue. Some white Cell looking color laces going all the way up, factory installed. And on this joint, man, they didn't put a tongue tag on these joints, man. They just went with the embossed look, embossed Jumpman, embossed Flight, no tag or anything stitched on. And on the inside of the tongue, man, it has the white and gold Air Jordan hit going across the back of the tongue tag, upside down, true Jordan 4 fashion. It's a nice look on these, man. It's a nice look on these. I wish these came out in men, but they didn't, so it's all good. Now on the inside of the shoe, man, it's all white going across the sock liner. And then on the inside of that midsole, man, it's an all white midsole with the gold Jumpman hit going across the inside, man. It looks good, man. These joints look good. I can't lie to you women. Y'all got y'all on with these, man. I know my fly ladies and the fly girls are definitely gonna pull these joints off. Nice fits. Got some nice colors in mind, man. I know this is a perfect spring, summer shoe. And you can expect these joints to go crazy around the ladies, man. I can see this one for sure. But let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far, man. Let's check out this right shoe. Now getting into the right shoe, man, it's the same as the left. Has the smooth leather going across that toe box. Slightly tumble going across the toe cap. Has the smooth white leather, white and Cell leather going across the upper of the shoe. Has that Cell hit on the back panel, man, on that heel tab, all Cell with the Jumpman. Inside of the shoe is the same as the outside, white and Cell hits everywhere. All white on the laces, embossed on the tongue tag. Really nice midsole on these, man. I love that metallic pearl finish that goes across the midsole. Then it has the Cell parts on the upper of the midsole and all across the outsole, man. Really solid Cell colorway. Gold Jumpman on the bottom, man. These joints are nice, man. All white shoe, but not quite all white like a pair of white Air Force Ones. This one will have a lot more durability to it, and it's a little more fashionable than an all white shoe, man. I like these joints a lot, man. I like them a lot. Now on that tongue tag, they do have the embossed on this, just like I said on the other shoe, man. No Jordan 4 square tag stitched on these joints, and I like that touch, man. It's a really different hit as far as what you'll usually see on a Jordan 4, but I like these joints, man. No tag, nothing stitched or embroidered in, but they want the embossed look. And that's something that you don't really see very often. I like these joints. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints for retail. Man, I grabbed them from Finish Line on the like reserve exclusive access that they do. Picked them up from my local mall, man, Baybrook Mall. And these joints are solid, bro. Smooth process. Go in, pick them up, reserve for me. Pick them up, went on about my day. And I really was just picking them up to review for you guys, but I think this one is gonna be a good shoe. I know my mall, they were super limited. I think they had like 12 pairs max at Baybrook Mall, man, like 1 or 2 of each size, and then the biggest size they had was a women's 10. So I don't think there are many of these floating around, but with it being an all white shoe, or all sale shoe technically, they aren't very popular as far as colorway just yet, but I think with these being limited, the prices may kind of jump up or increase, man. Retail was $210. That was $227 out the door, and resale is like $250 and down across all sizes. So you're not gonna pay anything crazy if you get them now or if you get them really soon. I'm not sure how many pairs they had on sneakers, but it's a good shoe. Seems pretty limited, especially for like a women's release. So we'll see how they do in the long run, but a good shoe to have so far, man. Not gonna lie to you. Really decent shoe, $250 and under. If you can grab them for that price range, I say pull the trigger for sure. Now, as far as quality and quality control on these joints, man, pretty decent leather, man, no flaws. You generally see a lot of flaws on grade school Jordan 4s. The women's and men's pairs are usually fairly decent, man. So this is one of those pairs, man. Really good pair, no flaws, decent materials. I like the small upgrades with the metallic gold going across the lace holes. But other than that, your regular Jordan 4, some nice thick leather going across the toe cap. No suede or anything like that on this shoe, so it's definitely going to be durable as far as material. Not sure how well the colors will hold up, but definitely a good shoe material-wise. Decent quality, man. This is a good shoe if you can grab it for $250 and under. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Air Jordan 4 in the metallic gold colorway. This is a women's exclusive, man, so 12 women was the biggest. So if you're a men's 10.5 and down, man, you're in luck. 3.5 wide and up, you're in luck, man. So let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. Is a cop for you? Are you dropping? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping? Leave me an honest opinion down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints. But like I said, man, it's gonna wrap it up for this one. Until next time on our next video, we got the Air Jordan 4 in the metallic gold colorway. Women's exclusive, man. Peace.